Hello, wanted to show you how to make a 3D rose out of Sue Wilson's Festive Collection Christmas Rose die set. I'm just going to be using the largest, the medium-sized rose, the medium-sized centre and the holly branches. Here is the medium rose here, all done up for you and made into a 3D, whereas this is what the die is set for. You can see there that you've got some embossing. I'm just going to show you how to make that. So I've chosen 2 of the largest size, 1 of the medium, and then the centre piece out of bright gold. You'll be able to see that I've already done some of this, and I've just simply cut down each petal roughly there. So we're just going to do that with the large one. So as I said, you can see the lines there, and just cut not right down to the middle, but just so that you give it a centre like that. I'm going to take a spritzer and just spray just a small amount onto there, rub that in a bit, and to work with them I'm going to turn them over. So these ones have already spritzed and I'm going to turn them over. You then need to work with your embossing tool, which has got quite a large, it's an 8mm end to it. And from the back of the flower you just want to rub in circles so that it starts to bend the flower very slightly. And then turn it over. And because this side is wet, you just need to be a bit more gentle and just push down slightly, in giving a circle for the centre of it. And the same with this. Rub from the back. Each of the petals individually, turn it over and in the centre. And finally this one, smallest one, press down. Small circles, turn it over and press down for the centre. And then with your tiny little centre, I haven't spritzed this one, and I just need to push down to give it a bit more of a rounded. There. So then we get a bit of glue and we put a little bit onto the bottom there, and offsetting the leaves, the petals, so that the full petal there is across the gap of 2 there, and just press that onto there, a little bit on there, one in the middle. The reason why I've spritzed them is because it does give quite a bit more formation to the petals, and once it dries, the card dries, it will hold its shape. Then for the centre I've given it a bit more of a blob of glue, bit more in quantity, and then just press that simply into the middle. Just gently holding it there, and whilst the card is still damp, you can just mould these leaves, petals, get it right in a minute, mould the petals up a bit. Then with the holly branch, I've cut them out of green card. Pop a little bit of sparkly glitter on them, and you can see that that's a really pretty one there, and that's the one like that. Just gives you a bit of a different idea. Thanks for watching.